Hi, I'm Arun Kumar. I'm a .NET developer. Now I explain the topic authenticated multi-step nearest neighbor search. In this concept is belongs to the data mining. Okay, now I explain that in existing system. In existing system, if any of user giving any of the keyword request in the sense, in the keyword request, it is a request sending to the server, and the corresponding response will be get by the user. In case if your user giving any of keyword, the corresponding keyword information is not in the server, in the sense we cannot get the any page. At that time we can get only the error page or empty page. It is an existing system, but in proposed system we introduce additional one system. The system name of is false it. If I'm give a user give any of keyword in the sense, it will be requesting to the server and getting response. Otherwise it will be if any of the corresponding keyword information is not in the server, in the sense at the keyword will be updated in false it. Then false it admin the watching that any of the keyword will be updated recently, in the sense at that time the keyword content will be feeded in the server. After that next time, so user giving the same keyword in the URL page means he get the response directly from the servers. Okay, now I explain the architecture of this project. In this architecture is authenticated multi-step nearest search. It is a login page generally for user and admin. In user searching the keyword information in URL page, the keyword content available in the server, in the sense you get that directly from the servers. Otherwise it will be stored as a false it. False it maintained by admin. So admin checking the false it. If any of the keyword content will be updated in the false it, in the sense at that time the keyword content information will be stored in server. So next time user giving the same keyword request giving to the URL page means you get the information to the server. Then multi-step nearest neighbor search, in the sense that if I'm giving any of the keyword, but the keyword content available in the 10 server, but I'm getting the response from the particular server only, because the nearest server, how it will be happening in the sense, which system is nearest to the particular server, at that system only I'm getting the response. So based on this concept, I'm getting my information very quick response time. Thank you.